Dear students, today we are going to discuss about business drivers for big data. We can discuss big data emerged in the last decade from combination of business needs and technology innovations. A number of companies that have big data at the core of their strategy have become very successful at the beginning of the 21st century. For example, include Apple, Amazon, and Facebook companies. A number of business drivers at the core of this success and explain why big data is quickly rising to become one of the most coveted topic in the industry. It means everyone having running the company, but unable to predict and unable to analyze the company data. Because it's a huge amount of data, there is no tool in previous years. Currently, there are different type of tools available for analysis. Okay, they can understand, they can predict the company details, and they can predict the company future. Six main business drivers can be identified. One is a digitization of society. Second one is a plummeting of the technology cost. Third one is a connectivity through cloud computing. Fourth one is increased knowledge of data science. Fourth one is a social media application. Sixth one is upcoming Internet of Things. First one is we can discuss digitization of society. Big data is a largely consumer driven and consumer oriented. Most of the data is the world is generated by customers who are nowadays always on. Most people now spend 4 to 6 hours per day consuming and generating data through a variety of devices and applications. Because a lot of customers having account in the e-commerce site, they have enter the details. We can collect information from customers, age group, what are the business, and address. It is a data, we can collect the data. Most of the people now spend 4 to 6 hours. For example, everyone having smartphone, they are involving in searching the particular product or reading the news. Okay, or watching the social media and like Facebook, YouTube. It will be countable. Everyone watching the social media, it will become or it will be generate the data. Okay, with every click, swipe or message, a new data is created in a database somewhere around the world. When you're going to visit a particular e-commerce site or reading the news, giving the comments in the social media, it will be countable. It will be increase the data. Because everyone now has smartphone in their pocket, the data creation is an incomparable amount. No need to visit particular processing center, no need to open your laptop. Using your smartphone, you can watch everything, you can give the commands, click, everything is accountable. It will be generate the huge amount of data. Okay. Some scientists estimate 60% of data is generated within the social media system, which is good indication of the rate which is a society. Second is the implementing of technology, because technology related to collecting and processing massive quantities of diverse data has become increasingly more affordable. The cost of data storage and processor keep declining, making it possible for small business and individual to become involved with big data. So we can understand, we can introduce the map to discount, so we can secure the product. For example, we can consider the e-commerce site. Okay, they are managing a lot of products. Okay, no need to visit a particular shop. We can give the order through online. They will deliver the product. They will give the um, offer everything. So it will be reduce the technology cost. We can easily understand about e-commerce site. Connected through cloud computing environments where data is remotely stored in distributed storage system have made it possible to quickly scale up or scale down in IT infrastructure and facilitate a as pay-as-you-go model. In the big data, no need to purchase any hardware system in your company or your industry. If you have a company, no need to purchase a large amount of data, large amount of storage space or devices. First, you got to pay a cloud computing system. If you want to 5 GB or 5 TB data, you can pay as per utilization. Okay, you can purchase 5 TB data. You can pay for 5 TB. No need to purchase a large amount of hard disk or storage devices. That's why I'm mentioning the scale down IT infrastructure and the facilities pay as you go model. This means that organizations that want to process massive quantity of data and large storage processing requirements do not have to invest in large quantities of IT infrastructure. Instead, they can license the storage and processing capacity they need and only pay for the amounts they actually use. So everything is, if you want to use a particular software, no need to purchase software. Cloud software as a service system will provide the software. You can use it automatically. It will, license will be renewed by the company. No need to renewed by you. Okay. So as a result, most of big data solutions leverage the possibilities of cloud computing to deliver their solutions to enterprise. Both one is increased knowledge about data science. In the last decade, the term data science and data science have become tremendously popular. The demand for data scientists have increased tremendously, and many people have actively become engaged in the domain of data science. Currently, data science is very hot topic because everyone studying data science and they are commonly expecting data science people. They are recruiting data scientists because they are getting more salary from the company. Okay, as a result, the knowledge and education about the data science has greatly professionalized and more information becomes available every day. While statistics and data analysis mostly remained an academic field previously, it is quickly becoming a popular subject among students, the working population. As a result, the knowledge and education about data science greatly professionalized because everyone having very well knowledge in the data science. They are having technical knowledge and program knowledge. They can analyze the data very easily based on the programming tool. Okay. Social media application, everyone understand the impact that social media has on daily life. However, in the study of big data, social media plays a role of paramount importance. Not only because of the sheer volume of data it is produced every day through platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, but also because social media provides nearly real-time data about human behavior. So everyone understands about the social media. Everyone having account in social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, everyone click on particular images and like the particular videos, audios. Okay, it will be countable. It will be create the new data. Okay, so whenever going to click particular images, it will identify your behavior. Okay, what type of behavior you having? You are like are you like this music or not? Okay, if you are like, you will share the particular images or videos to your friends. Okay, we can understand your behavior based on the analysis. So social media that provides insight into the behaviors, preference, and opinions of the public on scale that has never been known before. I can upload some post. Okay, you can give the command. You can give the like. You can give the dislike based on your like and dislike. I can understand what's your behavior. Due to this, it is immensely variable to anyone who is able to derive meaning from these large quantities of data. Social media data can be used to identify customer preferences for product development, target new customers for the future purchase, or even target potential voters in elections. Social media data might even be considered one of the most important business drivers of big data. The upcoming Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and network connectivity, which enables this object to connect and exchange data. It is increasingly gaining popularity as consumer goods providers start including smart sensor household appliances. Recently, everyone utilizing IoT sensor-based application. You can switch on your AC from remote area. You can switch on your car from your office. Okay, it is an IoT based system. It is increasingly gaining popularity in consumer goods providers starting with smart sensor household appliances where the average household in 2010 had around 10 devices connected by the IoT system. This number is increased into 50 devices 50 household items by 2020. So these devices like a thermostat, so smoke detection, air conditioner, and audio system. Okay, it is everything's connected with IoT. You can see this picture. In and of this, commonly you can connect a different type of system. For example, you can monitor where is flight is flying. It is from your mobile. Travel, energy use. You can identify what are the unity utilized for your home, and building management. You can identify CCTV. You can watch your CCTV videos through the system from remote place, and security system, smart home center. You can switch on your light. You can go, switch off light from IoT system, and machine to machine and wireless sensor and embedded mobile telemedicine. Like we can monitor your heartbeat through IoT system. Okay, then you can understand your bed using your GPS system. You can monitor, you can watch bed. Okay, these are the um, uh, techniques. You can, it will be recover the data. It will collect the data using IoT system. Dear students, if you have any query, please connect to my mail. Thank you.